So our product is it's a water-based asphalt emulsion, so there's no smell to it. As you can see, the bucket's open. There's a slight little bit of asphalt smell to it. And it's mixed with long strand fiberglass as the reinforcement right out of the bucket. So you don't have to do the 3-course with the mesh, like you can see right there where the mesh is in it, and then you do another course. This is already pre-built in.
So you just slather it on, huh?
Yep. Apply it just with a glove, dude, because if you try to use a tool, it's going to drag the fiberglass, which I'll show you when I start the install. Prep work is really easy. Just want to get all the loose dirt off.
Right.
It's self-priming because it's water-based.
And then just glop it on there.
Yeah, I'll show you right now, yeah. So like this right here, looking by underneath, I'm guessing that this is probably where this one's leaking. So I just want to knock all these loose granules out of here as best I can. The more loose stuff we remove, the better it sticks, you know what I mean? Right. So we want to try to get and anything that's sticking off, that's going to cause a problem. And then to apply it, it's real easy. I'm just going to grab some handfuls straight up out of the bucket and start laying it down. It's water-based, so half of it's water. So we always want to apply at least 1/4 inch of material, because half of it's going to shrink down. Like for major repairs, like big split like this one that's right here, I would apply a 1/2 inch thick over that. Yeah, so if you ever questioned it, all you do is call me and I come out and take a look at it. I could tell just by walking on it. Yeah. But yeah, you can apply it up to 1 inch thick before you start to have, we reach our limit and you start getting some cracking. Because there's a lot of clay in this stuff, so it, just like the bottom of a dry lake bed, it'll start to crack at that 1 inch thickness. When you try to use a tool, I'll try to do it right now. Say it was a spatula or something. If it grabs an edge, it'll move the whole run because it's all intertwined. So, yeah, yeah, the fiber's in it. So what it does is it makes like a, just like that 3-course mat that's right there. It makes like the same thing.
But instead of applying it 3.
Yeah, instead of applying it in 2 steps, it's all one ready to go. And then once it's dry, you can paint it whatever color you guys want.